So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can get a work or business email for your free use. You may have tried to get a business or work email, but most of the platforms which provide this service are paid. So in this video, we are going to do it free. So I'll share with you two different methods, and the second method works more perfect and fine. But for most of the people, first method may also work. So you have to go to Google and search here temp mail and hit the search button. And the very first website which appears up, which is temp-mail.org, you have to tap onto it. And this is a temporary disposable email generator. You can get unlimited email addresses from this website, and you can see after @ sign that this may be used for a business or work email address. You have to simply copy the email address and use it wherever you want, and the OTP that will be sent to this address will be showed here in your inbox when you scroll through this page. And if you need another email address, you can simply tap on this delete button and a new email address will be generated for you, which you can use for more of your purposes. The second method used for getting the business or work email will work for the remaining people for which the first method didn't work, and that is you have to go to Google and search here Proton Mail and hit the search button. And you have to scroll through here, and here you get the title Proton Mail. Get a free email account, you have to tap on it. And here when you will be redirected to its home page, here you get two options: create a free account and get mail for business. If we go to get mail for business option, this will ask us for money. And if we tap on get Proton Mail for business, here you can see that it charges $7 or $8 or $9 per month. But we have to go with the free option. That's why we are going back and back again. And here you have to tap on create a free account, and it will ask you for installing the Proton Mail application if you are on your mobile phone. If you are on desktop, then this step will be skipped. But as we are on mobile, then we have to install this application. Now after installing the application, this will ask you for a sign in. From here you have to tap on this create account button, and here you have to select the username for your email address. It can be any username like JamesBond000, just for example. And from here you can select the domain. You can choose proton.me or protonmail.com. It will be better for me, I think, and press the next button. Now it will ask you for a strong password. You have to type it twice. And after typing in your password, you have to press the next button. Here will ask you for a recovery email address, which will be used to contact you to recover your business email if you forget the password or something like that. And after passing out this human verification, our business email address will be ready to use. Just wait for a few seconds, and here you can see the congratulations message. Tap on start using Proton Mail, and here if I show you, you can see my business email address, which is JamesBond000@protonmail.com, which is a complete business or work email address. You can use it for any purposes. You will receive all the messages here in this inbox when you open up this application named Proton Mail. So that's how you get business or work email address. Do tell me in the comments that which thing worked for you. Thank you so much.